This one's going to be called investing in real estate you don't understand, because a lot of people do that and they don't really, especially out of staters or in another country, they do that all the time. So we're going to go through some stuff here, and as we do, I'm going to tell you one of the biggest ones for this is spreadsheets. A lot of people look at a spreadsheet and they have like a $65,000 with a $1,100 rent, the 15% cap, and they start dreaming of all the money they're going to make every month, but they don't take into calculation that there's a tenant issue there. If you're paying that little for a house, you better. Those are places people have to live in. They don't want to. And anybody can make a spreadsheet look like they want. Out of state investors often buy the entrapped neighborhoods. These are areas where the numbers look incredible on paper, but the nightmare is really reality. You see a low price and a high rent potential. We see a war zone, and contractors won't go without armed guard, or tenants move out in the middle of the night. And that's what I see a lot going on out there, in that. And then they have a lot of the out of towner pricing. Our prices are whatever we pay for the house, that's what you get it for. But there are some stipulations, but you're going to end up with equity. You're going to know all the cost up front, full disclosure. Um, and it's just going to be, have you ever noticed that the rehab quotes seem right high? That's because the contracts at Pacific price for the guy from California is usually 30 to 50% higher than the local would pay. So basically, what that's saying is, they got high costs. Now, we have a template. We have a fixed price on what we do with our properties for rentals and appraisals, and making sure they get up to the value that we need. But you'll always know that up front, and we're 99.5% uh, successful at that. We don't take all that. But if you get too many middlemen and stuff like that put together, you got your wholesaler, you got your seller, there's all kinds of different things that you have to know before you um, know. And the way you know everything's dealing with a licensed realtor, full disclosure, all the time. I had one of them call me up last week. They're wanting one of my houses, and they wanted to buy it and sell it to somebody else, which they can do whatever they want, but asked me if I would jack up the construction cost so he could get a good deal on it. And of course, we do not lie about that stuff. So that's the way that is. So we never lie, and we always make sure that the client, my clients, are always getting the best interest. In this particular one that we were talking about, he's decided to go ahead and put the extra money in because there's a ton of equity there. There'd be no reason to sell it as is if he has the money to fix it up. And I gave him all those numbers as is, and if we fix it up, and he knows those. So that's really really important. And doing 1,200 plus homes, you don't need to be an expert in Cleveland real estate. You just need to know someone who is, and that would be me. We've handled over 1,200 properties. I've seen every trap, scam neighborhood, and every spreadsheet. We look at the street. We look at which side of the block matters. We know which construction show up and which ones do not. So we have our own basically on staff. I've had the same crew for 20 years. So I can, they give me a lot of leeway, a lot of stuff on that. So basically, I give you a zero distance penalty, meaning that I'm always there. I'm always there every week. I just did a bunch of videos for my clients. I do before and after pictures and update videos for them. So that's what we do. We do a lot of that. We take care of. You're going to always know what's going on with us. And there's a website below. I don't know how the BrettYoungKey.com got in there, but that is not my website. Accidentally did that. Sorry. There is a BrettAYoung.com though. But all that being said, we do the real talk, real strategies, and we get real results. And you can see that in my um, uh, website below in the description on this particular vlog. But you need to really be careful who you deal with and understand. I got a guy coming down that bought a place for. I looked it up. He paid $65,000 for it. It's in a $140,000 neighborhood. Now it has no kitchen, it has no heater, it needs a lot. It needs a roof. It needs a lot of stuff. He needs probably 50 to 60,000 in that particular house. Do the numbers. It's a bad buy. We would never buy anything like that. So we always know everything up front with our inspections, our detailed construction, and also making sure that everything's done correctly on time. Our average rehab takes about 4 weeks. So that's what we do. But again, if you're looking for good, solid real estate for your portfolio, and we have some tax strategists on board now that are helping our clients get the best tax strategy on the planet. And we just have everything's in house. And we have to do it like that in order for it to be successful, because that keeps the cost down. That keeps it all in one. I can move around if I need to. Everything's there. So please give me a call. I'm Brett, 216-703-5740 with Key Realty. Please don't go to that website. Check the website below. Thanks, and have a great day.